so I can give some. Hey guys, how you doing? So look at Big Head.
Hi babies.
I watch her she go on like she decent. You know?
Miss me or not?
You know how much cussing me gets? Guys, listen. Let me tell you what's going on. One of them is so late. Them give so much trouble. So sorry, Jasmine Finlater couldn't be here. It's a bobsled team, right? So I have Carrie here. But Carrie is a woman, when you tell her to come dinner 6 o'clock, you have to tell her noon. Because she there on late time. Now, Audra, look like she's going to reconstruct her body. Because people, their problem, let me give me. This a woman, yeah. This a woman, yeah. I say, hey, this is Audra Segree. And the Bob said to you, beer trouble.
Except me.
Beer trouble.
She's lying.
Yeah.
She's lying.
Oh, big up honey bun. What? Who that? Who that? See the other one, your people. See the other one. Courtesy of honey bun. Enjoy the Easter. This is Carrie Russell. This is Audra. A historic winter Olympian. Watch Jade. I like. Thanks for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So, okay, look. Right now. Come here. So seafood. So seafood over there. Because them say steamed fish and okra. When I come over here, so. Jade, come in at this. Yeah. Right now, I want them see this right now. They represent the Winter Olympics. Carrie, where you eat? Where you eat, Carrie?
Some fish on
where you eat? Steamed fish and okra! Yeah. Alright. Come sit down right over here, so now. Over here, so. Over here, so. Because when the athletes them work hard, we have to make them feel good. You understand? So, guess what now? Them work hard, they make all heap of sacrifice. I can tell you something? But make sure so when I get to a sports therapy massage. Sparks, courtesy of Juliet Cuthbert Life Fit Gym. Both of you are getting a 1-year sponsorship to Life Fit Gym courtesy of Juliet Cuthbert. She couldn't be here right now. She couldn't be here right now. Because she have to go to Parliament. But I know that when I need it. Because when I work, when the muscles get sore, so them have sauna. Them have ice baths. And because when you're in a bobsled, they have the sleds. Because they also have an outdoor and indoor facility and functional fitness training. And guess what? No, you know that? No. Because Sparks call down there and tell them, say, yo, when I need to get exercise training facilities. So, but just make sure so make the relevant calls and make sure so when I get to come and enjoy one a meal right now. And big up honey bun. Forget them the Easter bun. Enjoy. Rest it right or something. You have to rest it for the thing. No, Carrie, nobody not thief your honey bun. Nobody not thief it. Nobody is thieving it. Yeah, big up Jade. Yeah. Yes. Oh, Shello. Bad dog entrepreneur. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Honey bun from Ramesh Entertainment. Big up yourself. Yes, ladies. A proud owner for make one know. Another source of lip service, so I make sure so when I get treated well. You understand?
For some bun and cheese.
Bun and cheese.
We have the cheese, you know, and no bun, you know. Cheese and no bun. Surprise.
Your belly surprise, you know? Alright. Steamed fish and okra. Alright. Then want to take one picture with you.